Hi everyone, it's me again, Eulie, your HIPAA certified medical virtual assistant, social media marketing specialist and content creator. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how you can create your own intro video that you can submit for your application and share to your prospective client. Now in this video, there will be like two parts. First part is for the script part and the second part is the video part. If this video interests you, I highly suggest that you watch up until the end of the video because I'm going to share free stuff. I'm going to share with you guys 3 sample templates that you can take inspiration from, reconstruct. And this is not only for those applicants that has experience, but also for those applicants that does not have experience. Now on the video part, I'm going to share with you guys tips and tricks. This is coming from what I've experienced as well as a content creator, so this will be juicy.
If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and click that notification bell para kapag may bagong videos ako, ikaw yung unang makakakita.
Now, introduction video, this became parang a controversial topic in the virtual assistant world because say if you will require an applicants to create an introduction video to assess the applicant's communication skill, then isn't that the main purpose of the
Interview.
The hiring manager in that comment thread requiring their applicants to submit a 1-minute intro video because they are not only assessing your communication skill, they are also assessing your professionalism. If you're putting it on a scenario, physically, you're in a room with a group of professional people, I would consider introduction video the same with the elevation pitch that you would say if someone professional in that room would ask you what you do, tell me more about yourself. So para siyang elevation pitch na ibibigay mo to that person. If I am that someone, in the back of my mind, I would say, okay, he is the one that I'm looking for. Let me ask him additional question. So, that additional question in the VA world will be the interview phase. So, dapat mo talaga siyang planuhin ng maigi. I would say na for as long as the client is not signing that contract, huwag kang kampante. Just don't let it be the reason why na ma-reject yung application mo.
Oh no!
I-prepare mo lahat from your resume hanggang sa magperma si client sa contract. Kasi, once that application is rejected, most outsourcing company would require a month after, 3 months after to reapply is talagang ang tagal na oras yan, guys. And para sa akin, parang a waste of time. And yung waiting time is talagang papatay sa iyo, guys. Now, let's go to the script. So, to be honest with you guys, I have shared this with my live session on TikTok na yung script na always kong pina-follow when I do apply to the outsourcing companies here in the Philippines is the same lang sa script na pinapasa ko din every time yung na-hire ka na tapos the company would require you to create another introduction video for your client. The same lang yung script ko, guys. So, para din makasave ng oras. Now, for the script, most coaches would suggest you to follow a format. But that depends on how many minutes that the outsourcing company would require. For example, I experienced company would require you to create a 1-minute intro video. Mostly yun yung pinaka-common. 2 minutes intro video, yung pinaka talaga long is yung 3-minute intro video na dapat kong ipasa. In that 3-minute, guys, I don't know ano pa yung pwede kong ilagay. Napaka-challenging niya. I would say, if titingnan mo siya ng maigi, for those people na wala pang experience, your script for introduction video should contain your name, your age, your degree if you have a degree, your experience, strengths, and if you're bold enough to include your weakness, just say one weakness and your ways on how you improve that weakness. Lastly is things that you do outside work. It's more personal. Some would say their hobbies or the things that they do if they're stressed. So, nasa sayo na yun. And for those people na may experience na, either name, age, degree, experience, hard skills, soft skills as well. Some people like me, I would include the applications that I use related to work. For example, EMR, VoIP system. And last part is the same lang. Make it more personal, the things that you do outside work. Now, I promised you guys a free sample templates. Thank you so much for making it this far and watching my video. And the link po ng sample templates ay nasa description box below. Now, the video part. First is, you should clean the lens of your camera. Phone man yan, digital camera, or some people I know would use the web camera of their computer. So just, make sure that you clean everything first. Next is change the setting of your camera. iPhone man yan, or any other model or brand, digital camera, webcam, make sure na i-change mo siya into 1080p or higher. Use the back camera of your phone if you're using your phone, because I know the quality of the back camera is more crisp compared to the front camera. And if you have a good lighting like this one I have here, I used while doing this vlog, use that. And just manipulate the exposure, something like that, according to your taste. Next is you should film yourself in the horizontal view like this one. Next is find a well-lit indoor location. Guraduin mo lang na well-lit yung room, na kapag mag-film ka, klaro yung mukha mo. And next is put yourself in the center while filming like this one. If you don't know how to find the center, use the grid settings on your phone. I know my grid settings din sa digital camera if you're using digital camera. So, yeah. Next is find a neutral background. Make sure na neutral yung background mo. Walang masyadong background noises. If pwede, turn off the fan if you're recording, kasi based on my experience, nahahagap yung sound ng fan, electric fan, when I did my intro video. So, i-turn off mo muna. Sometimes, mahahagap din yung sound ng aircon. Turn off nyo muna. Just make sure na wala talagang background noises. Next is dress professionally. If you're applying to become a medical VA, I would suggest wear your scrub, white blazer, scrub yung white, then white blazer or white coat, and then if possible, inner garment, yung inner shirt mo is white then. Just giving the viewer the professional vibe that you're trying to create. Next is, look directly to the camera while saying your pitch or saying your script. And make sure na, you memorize your script by heart. And make sure that you pace your words slowly. Mas maganda kasi pakinggan if you pace your words slowly compared na in a rush ka. For example, I would say my pitch, not pacing my words like this one. Hi, my name is Eulie Tan. I'm 32 years old. I am a registered nurse in the Philippines. Parang hindi siya maganda pakinggan compared to kapag ipipace mo yung words mo slowly. You're giving the confident vibe to the viewer kapag you pace your words slowly. For example, hi, my name is Eulie Tan. I am 32 years old. I'm a registered nurse here in the Philippines with roughly 5 years of experience. Diba mas maganda siyang pakinggan kapag ipipace mo yung words mo slowly. Next is mind your body language. I've mentioned this tip as well on my other video, how you can pass your interview. If you're interested to watch, just click the iCard on top of my screen. May ibang nag-a-apply ng medical VA, pinapa-assess nila sa akin yung intro video nila. Marami talaga akong napapansin na mga body language. May iba na palaging nag-scratch ng head, may iba na nagkukulangot. So, iwasan natin yan. Kapag may makita kayong ganyan, repeat your intro video. Next is, don't rush your intro video. Rehearse several times. If you think na hindi pa siya perfect, rehearse mo siya. Review mo yung intro video mo if may kailangan ka bang i-omit or idagdag. If you feel na exhausted ka, you can rest and then film again. Just don't rush your intro video, okay? Next is, if you think your video is perfect na, like, okay, I'm satisfied with this intro video, you save it to the standard format. AVI, MP4, or ano pa yung mga standard format. And make sure na you follow the job descriptions instruction where you can submit or where to submit the intro video. Kasi I've experienced before, others outsourcing company would require you to create a Google Drive for your intro video and just, send them the link. There's other na pwede mo siyang i-upload directly to that application form and just make sure na naka-standard format yung video. And kasi if hindi siya standard format, hindi mo siya masasave doon sa application form. Next is adding background to your intro video. You will experience this once you are hired. Most of the outsourcing companies I know, they would require you to create another intro video for their profile that they could, circulate to their prospective clients. And they will require you to put the logo on the background. The easiest way I know is to download Zoom to your phone if you're using your phone. If you're using digital camera, you need to have a green cloth in your background. If you're using your webcam, you can use Loom or Zoom as well. So it depends on you. The last tip, it is optional kasi gagamit ka nito ng editing tool, and some editing tool I know, paid siya. So pwedeng wala, pwede rin hindi mo siya lagyan. Then, if you want to be extra, gusto mo siyang lagyan ng, caption, intro video mo. In creating caption, madali lang. Itatype mo lang yung anong sinasabi mo sa video. Just make sure na synchronize siya. I think there's one in Canva where you can add caption. On my end, I use KineMaster or KineMaster. I don't know how to pronounce, but I use that app if I want to add caption to my video. Convenient lang. While on the go, nag-i-edit ka lang sa phone mo. So, yeah. Find any other applications where you can add caption if you want to be extra. I think I've given you enough information on how you can create your introduction video. I hope that you love or you're satisfied with all the information that you've heard. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Click that notification bell para kapag may bagong video ako, ikaw yung unang makakakita. Bye, sweetlings! Take care!
Please do not forget to follow my other social media pages. And for you to get a chance to be featured on my next video, please leave a comment below for your questions and suggestions. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And see you guys on my next video. Bye, sweetlings! Take care!